Here's a quick tip. If you are using one directional fabric prints to make memory bears, make sure that you fold your fabric and place the pattern pieces in the one direction. So as you see, I'm showing you this as one directional. You want to make sure your pattern pieces are all lining up. That way, whenever you make your finished bear, the bear will look correct and not messed up. This is a second bear, and I'm showing you a patch. I wanted that patch to be in the belly part, so I have a special way of making a non-two-piece belly for my memory bears. Anyways, I'm just going to quickly cut apart some of these. If you want the full tutorial and some business tips on memory bears, be sure to follow me on YouTube. And as always, you can find out more about my courses at stephaniegrams.com. Have a very happy day.